In our previous session, we have worked on editing categories and editing brands. Now in this session, we are going to work on deleting categories and deleting brands. Okay, in the same way, same procedure we are going to follow. Delete from table name. Okay, the same thing, everything is same. So first I'll come to view categories here. Okay, for deleting I'm just going to copy this entire thing, and here I'm just going to paste because I need the ID number. Then instead of this edit category, I'll just write here delete category. I'll save this. I'll refresh this one. Now whenever I hover on this delete, I'm having the delete category is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is working. Now what I'm going to do, I'll come to index.php. Okay, same thing. I'll copy, I'll paste. If this delete category is active, let me just come to view categories. I'll copy this variable, and here I'm just going to paste. If this is active, then I just have to display delete category.php file. I'll create this file, I'll copy this one, and inside this admin area I'm just going to create that file. Now here first let me just write here hello. I'll save this. I'll refresh this one. Now when I click on this delete category is active, and here I am having this hello. Now inside this file we are just going to write the delete query. Okay, first I'll be writing this PHP. Okay, for this we don't have to write any HTML code. Directly we just have to write the PHP and we have to execute the query. First I'm just going to check for the condition. If is set using this get method, first I'm just going to access that variable. I'll come here, this particular variable I'll copy, and here I'm just going to paste. Okay, if this variable is set, then I have to access this value. So here I'll be writing delete category. Delete category is equal to, using this get method, I'm just going to paste it. I'm just going to paste that variable. I'll just write here echo delete category. I'll save this. Now if I just refresh this one, you can see 1 and 1. Okay, it is getting displayed. Again I'll come to view categories, delete, you can see 4 and 4. View categories, I'll click here, you can see 8 and 8. Okay, this is how we are going to access the ID number. I'll just comment this one. Now once we have accessed, now only thing is we just have to write the query. I'll just write here delete query is equal to, I'll be delete from categories table. Delete from categories. We have to write this where. If we don't give this where, then all the data will be deleted. Where category ID, okay, this is the column name, is equal to this one. If this and if these are getting matched, only then I have to delete this one. Previously also I have given the challenge, before deleting any items you add the confirmation. Okay, before deleting any products or any categories, add the confirmation. Future videos we are going to see that one as well, but if you can do by yourself, that is well and good. If you are not able to do, then no problem, I will be doing in future videos, and from there you can watch that one. Okay, once we write this query, now we have to execute this one. Result, I'll be writing this MySQL query. Then I'm just going to write this connection variable, and this wherever I have written query, I'm just passing that variable. Then here I'll be writing this result. If it is executed successfully, let me just come to edit categories. I'll just copy these 2 echoes, and inside this I'm just going to paste. Here I'll be writing category is being deleted successfully. Then echo window, and I should be redirected to view categories itself. I'll save this. Okay, now I'll just click on sketchbooks. Okay, you have uncaught MySQL exception. Okay, let me just check on line 8, delete query. Okay, here I just have to pass delete query. I'll just copy this one, and here I'm just going to paste. I'll save this. I'll come back, I'll refresh this one. Now I'll just click on sketchbooks. Category has been deleted successfully. Okay, now sketchbook has gone, and here I am having only 7 data. Okay, this is how we are going to delete the categories. Okay, I'm just going to copy the same thing. Inside this admin area, I'm just going to create one file. I'll just write here delete brands. Delete brands.php. I'll just paste here. I'll be writing here delete brands. Copy, paste, and here also paste. Then here delete query, delete from brands. where brand ID is equal to this one, delete brands. I'll copy and here I'm just going to paste, then delete query, then rest everything is same. Then here I just have to write brands, and instead of this view category I'll just write here view brands. I'll save this, I'll refresh this one. Now I'll just come to view brands. Now when I click on this brands, it is not going to work because I have not included this file. So I'll just come to edit brands, and here not edit brands, I'll just come to view brands. Inside this I'm having this delete. I'll just copy this entire href, and here I'm just going to paste. Here I'll be writing delete brands. Let me just check what I have given. Delete brands only. Delete brands. Okay, now it is working. Now inside index.php I'm just going to include that one. I'll copy, I'll paste, and here I'll be writing delete brands, and here I'm just going to pass the file name. I'll save this. Now I'll refresh this one. Now when I click on this delete brands, you can see brand has been deleted successfully. Now Swiggy has gone. Okay, numbers are also arranged properly because we have given number is equal to 0 and number plus plus inside the while loop. So it is working. Again, view categories. If I just want to delete this, you can see I can delete this one. Okay, this is how we are going to work. Now when I click on this view products, all the products has been displayed. View categories, view brands. Okay, everything is getting displayed. Okay, now what happens? Now when I delete categories and when I delete brands, now I'll just come to view products. Now some will be having, okay, inside this products they will be having the same categories and same brands. Now suppose if I just click on apple, okay, you can see now inside categories that both I have deleted fruits and also I have deleted Swiggy. So it is not getting displayed here. So you should be very careful whenever you are deleting categories. So you have to check for the condition. If this is already present inside the database, then we cannot delete this category. If we delete this category, then this entire product, whatever it is related to that one, that also we have to delete. Okay, that you have to perform. You can either, okay, you can do this in two ways. You can either delete the entire product from the database. Okay, if this category is getting deleted, then you should delete all the products related to that. Okay, you can do that one, or what you can do, or you can just check for the condition. If that category and brand is present inside the database, then you cannot delete that one. Okay, two things you can perform, and you can do this one. Okay, now we are done with this view categories and view brands. Okay, if you are still not getting that one, I will be doing that in future videos. Whatever challenges I am giving, that I am going to perform in separate videos. Okay, now we are done with this. Next we will be performing on all orders, all payments, list users. Okay, all these three things we are going to perform.